Hey Gadgetverse fans! Today we're exploring a heavy-duty cleaning marvel, the Shark POWERDETECT Upright Vacuum Cleaner, AZ4002. If you're serious about keeping carpets and hard floors spotless, especially with pets in the house, this vacuum might just be a game-changer. First, let's talk suction power. The POWERDETECT is engineered to pick up stubborn dirt, pet hair, and dust, thanks to its powerful motor combined with Shark's signature DuoClean technology. DuoClean uses a dual brush system, a soft brush for hard floors and a bristle brush for deep carpet cleaning. This ensures every surface gets thorough coverage, leaving floors spotless with less effort. Now, here's where it gets even better: powered lift-away technology. With a simple touch, the vacuum transforms into a portable, lightweight unit for cleaning stairs, upholstery, or hard-to-reach spots. It combines the upright power of a traditional vacuum with the flexibility of a canister model, perfect for multi-level homes. The HEPA filter is another standout feature. It captures allergens and fine dust, keeping your home air cleaner, a huge plus if anyone in the household suffers from allergies. You'll notice less airborne particles, while pets' hair and dander are efficiently removed from floors and furniture. Pause here. The POWERDETECT also includes LED headlights that illuminate hidden debris, ensuring nothing is missed under furniture or in dark corners. Pet owners will especially appreciate the deep cleaning capability and tangle-free brush roll designed to handle long hair without constant maintenance. If you're upgrading your vacuum, the Shark AZ4002 is a clear choice for power, versatility, and advanced cleaning tech. It tackles everything from delicate rugs to hard floors, all while reducing strain with ergonomic design and lift-away portability. For anyone looking to upgrade to a professional-grade home cleaning experience, this Shark POWERDETECT is built to impress. Grab yours today via the Amazon link below and don't forget to subscribe for daily gadget reviews and tips.